I have spent a lot of time looking at how service business deal with new inquiries, with new quoting, and usually someone has to read the message, figure out what the customer needs. He needs to copy the details into a different system and then start working out the quote, start understanding the quote. So today I want to show you how I would automate this entire quoting process for I'm using a transport company as the example, so how I would automate this entire quoting process. So my name is Nathan. I build AI system that helps service business to reduce admin work and to respond customers faster. So let's start. Let's share my screen and let's start a new code request and see what happens. So basically, this is a fake transport company. This website doesn't exist, and this is the quoting system which we are going to use, and I would like to share with you. So the customer doesn't need to fill out the form, a long form. They can just write in English. So let's say I need to move 3 pallets from Adelaide CBD to Melbourne CBD. I need to move next Friday afternoon. From this message, the system is going to understand the message and it will understand the pickup and the delivery location and also the date, so next Friday. And it's going to start asking questions about the quoting. So it needs to understand the weight of those 3 pallets. I would say 200 kilos, and it will ask my email. So let's see what happens. It's asking, and now it's asking if those pallets needs to be refrigerated. Let's say yes. And yeah, basically the system keeps going from here. So it's asking information that the company needs to be able to quote the job. So in this case, it's asking if we need forklift. It's going to be by hand. It's asking my contact details. So let's say it's a fake number. It's not my personal. Nathan. So the customer already give us everything, the pickup date, the loading details, and their phone number. And as soon it has everything it needs, it can the system can calculate the price and show the customer a price range, which is in this case it's a fake number, along with all the details used to calculate. So here we can understand why I have this number, this range. And if there is not enough information to give a reliable price, the system is not going to create one from nothing, from nowhere. It basically sends through for someone on the team to review. So the best part is as soon the conversation finish, the job is updated in our CRM. In this case, I'm using NocoDB as my CRM for this fake company, but it could be any other system, any other CRM. So all the information from conversation is already here, is already updated. So nobody needs to copy across manually or to copy from email or from another message. And yeah, the dispatcher the team can just review review the job, update the status, and I don't know, assign a truck and a driver. So basically, all the information we gave into that conversation is here, including our inquiry node. And another important thing that I'd like to show is this automation can also send automatically an email to customer with our job details, and the team can review or change anything before sending it. This is the email example I was mentioned, which we could send to customer or to admin team as well. So it basically includes all information we had in our conversation. So the price range, if it needs to be refrigerated or not, the and pickup and delivery locations as well, along with requested pickup date. We are not trying to automate every decision. We are taking the repetitive work out of the beginning of the process so the team can spend their time on the parts that actually need their experience. And of course, transport is just the example I'm using here. So it could be any other service business where new quotes come in with different information every time in a conversation or from a long and boring form. So yeah, and again, this exactly workflow will depend on how the business already works. But the idea is very simple: is to let the system collect the information, organize it, and get the job ready for the team. So if you're wondering what that could look like in your business, I would be happy to show you. Thank you.